And when I packed my lunch a long time ago, I had leftover chips.
Shut up, Purdy Pan.
And I don't even know. Every time I have leftover stuff to eat on the bus, it goes, "Can I have some?"
Leftover what? Lunch? Bring your lunch on the bus?
Leftover chips.
From what, lunch?
Yeah, but you're not allowed to have sandwiches. What? You're allowed to have chips. Like when you pack your lunch. A lot of people do that. Huh.
When do you pack your lunch?
A long time ago.
I have macaroni, cheese, and after pizza. Remember that? You brought your macaroni, cheese, and your lunch? No.
At school, we were having macaroni and cheese, so I packed my lunch.
With macaroni and cheese.
No.